Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special to share with you, the best orange and blue balloon arch kit on the market. If you're planning a birthday party, graduation celebration, or even a themed event like a Nerf party, this kit is a fantastic choice. Let's dive right into what makes this balloon arch kit stand out from the rest. This all-in-one blue and orange balloon arch kit comes from SHERYL Decor and includes everything you need to create a stunning arch that will wow your guests. Inside the kit, you'll find a total of 100 balloons in a beautiful mix of white, silver, light blue, dark blue. And, of course, those vibrant orange balloons that add a lively touch to your decorations. The range of sizes includes small, medium, and large balloons, allowing for a dynamic and eye-catching display. Now, let's take a look at what's included in this kit. You get your balloons, but that's not all. There's also a balloon arch strip, tying ribbons, glue dots, and step-by-step video instructions. That's right, you don't need to be a professional party planner to make this look fantastic. The beginner-friendly video tutorial walks you through the entire assembly process, making it quick and easy, even for first-timers. Setting up your balloon arch is a breeze. First, inflate the balloons using the provided tying ribbons, and then arrange them on the arch strip. The glue dots are perfect for securing balloons in place, ensuring your arch remains stable and beautiful throughout your event. And let me tell you, you'll be amazed at how fast it all comes together. Just look at how stunning this arch looks. It adds that extra wow factor to your party setup. Whether it's for a birthday, graduation, or even a themed event, this arch creates the perfect backdrop for photos, making every moment memorable. Now, let's talk about quality. We've all experienced the frustration of balloons popping or deflating shortly after they're inflated. With this kit, that won't be a problem. These balloons are made from high-quality latex, ensuring they're thick and vibrant. You can trust that they'll last throughout your entire event, maintaining their beauty from start to finish. And here's the best part. If you happen to have any popped balloons, the customer service team is ready to help. SHERYL Decor offers a 100% refund or replacement if needed, so you can order with confidence. Overall, this blue and orange balloon arch kit is an incredible value for anyone looking to elevate their event. It's easy to use, includes everything you need, and guarantees a professional-looking result without the hefty price tag of hiring a decorator. If you're interested in purchasing this kit, check the link in the description below. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next product review. Until next time, happy party planning!